to Ashley Coleman on the Axia cam outside State Attorney Angela Corey's office tonight. And Ashley, this information could change public opinion, but what does it do to Corey's case against Zimmerman?
Well, Mark, I took this evidence to a local attorney who told me that everything we're seeing and hearing, the audio recordings, those pictures, the witness statements, all that could really help the defense. This video from 7-Eleven captured 17-year-old Trayvon Martin's last moments alive. Photos taken by police show the place he died and the gun used to kill him. This is all part of never-before-seen evidence just released in the case. Some of the most graphic images, George Zimmerman's bloody head.
It looks like he took a beating and was involved in hand-to-hand combat, and he happened to be the one that was armed.
Defense attorney Randy Reep says those pictures could help Zimmerman's claim that the killing was in self-defense. Something else that might help Zimmerman, a witness who says he saw Martin on top of Zimmerman throwing punches, but he didn't see the shooting, instead running away to call 911. In the reports, there's also an interview with Trayvon's father where he listened to a 911 call and was asked if the person yelling for help in the background was his son. According to the police report, Trayvon's father, quote, clearly emotionally impacted by the recording, quietly responded no. Sounds like a smoking gun, but Reep says not so fast.
Trayvon's father's commentation on it's interesting, but can you imagine how distraught he was the next day when he's listening to that? There may have been some disbelief that his son was even gone.
We also have the autopsy, which shows that Trayvon was shot at close range, and he had gunpowder burns. Those are important because it helps investigators determine how close the gun was from the victim. The closer the confrontation, the more reasonable Zimmerman's argument that he was in fear of being killed. The newly released evidence also shows that police concluded that Trayvon Martin's killing could have been avoided if George Zimmerman had just stayed in his car and waited for police. Reporting live outside the state attorney's office tonight, Ashley Coleman, CBS 47 Action.